Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to duplicate a page in Microsoft Word. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to duplicate a page here and you're having problems like keeping the formatting, well, there's an easy way to keep track of your duplication. So by default, there's no key. I'm going to be really honest with you here. There's no default one-click button here to duplicate a page. The only thing that you could try doing here is using what we call the Pilcrow icon or symbol. So in this case, what it does, it just shows where something actually ends. Like this is where our page actually ends. So if you add other content here, it's going to expand. But what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just press enter in your keyboard until you get into your second page. Now, in this case, this is where our second page ends, but also where it actually starts. Now, in this case, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and copy whatever you have in here. So in this case, the starting until the end. So until it highlights the first pilk row that we have right now. And just to give you some idea, I'm just going to actually press enter again. I'm just going to remove this one. I'm going to add a format for this one. Let's go ahead and add a table here. Just to give you an idea. Use this one. So we have this one. So yeah, so you just need to make sure that you include everything. So let's go and copy this one. So since we have a new line in here, so this is going to be our last Pilcrow. So let's go and just copy the whole thing that we need here. Copy this one, and let's go and go back. Just make sure we have one Pilcrow into our second page here, and just copy it. Again, you want to go ahead and copy by pressing Control C in your keyboard or right clicking on it and click on the copy. Now from here, you want to go ahead and just right click on where you want to paste it. And you want to make sure that you choose the option that says keep source formatting. Now if you choose either merge formatting or just keep text only, this will mess your formatting. So just choose the keep source formatting here. And once you've done that, it should be a duplicate of the whatever we copied before. So yeah, so currently that's the only way for you to duplicate pages right now as of in Microsoft, but there's a way for it to keep track where something ends, just in case. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.